SmartNet is a GPS reference station network that's used for precision applications such as surveying, engineering, construction, 3D machine control, or precision agriculture, and really anybody that needs precision corrections or precision GPS work.
Our customers are a 24/7, 365-day operation, day and nights. We do a lot of monitoring of bridges, buildings, so we need to have a reliable source of data out to those customers constantly. We have precision agriculture. Those customers are 24/7, so when they have to go out in the field, whether it's day or night, they need to know that SmartNet will be available to them. And then we also have a lot of other dynamic applications.
The VMware vMotion technologies allowed us not to be hardware dependent. If there was a hardware failure, if something happened, it allowed our VMs to seamlessly move in the environment to hardware that was working properly. Not too dissimilar to how our network actually operates, where if a GPS station fails, our network can shunt them immediately over to an operational station, again assuring that reliability our customers demand. Originally, when we launched SmartNet, we actually had servers here in Norcross, Georgia that operated. Once we figured out that we didn't have the expertise or the ability to run the servers, we tried to first move to our own internal IT infrastructure, running into challenges of 24/7 operations. When we initially did our investigations for the different providers out there, we knew we needed scalability and reliability and also 24/7 support. We also wanted to make sure we took advantage of the VMware platform. And particularly because Iland was part of the VMware vCloud Air network, we thought it addressed our needs now as well as going forward. Well, currently the ECS portal gives us a great deal of visibility that we didn't have previously. It gives us a quick glance both at the financial side as well as the resource allocation and distribution.
When a company is considering the move to cloud, from my perspective being head of operations, it was really a financial issue. I looked at leasing versus purchasing, 24/7 operations, what that would take for us to implement. And it just made more sense to outsource this to a company like Iland and be able to lease time on servers rather than purchase them ourselves. From a P&L point of view, which is what I'm responsible for, it's not a fixed asset. So it's something that is part of our operational expenses on a monthly basis.
VMware allows us to take templates, drop them in place, spool up new VMs very quickly, and be able to address the needs and our challenges of our customers.
Iland has allowed us a lot of flexibility, scalability, but I think one of the critical components is the level of support that they've provided, and it's been incredible.
US and globally, the growth we've seen has been pretty outstanding. We've seen 30% year-over-year growth in our subscription base, and we've seen 300% growth in the number of stations and the size of the network. We don't have to worry about some of the day-to-day things that we would have to take into internally if we weren't using the Iland Cloud. Relying on their expertise in the VMware platform allows us to focus on what we're good at, and that's delivering GPS corrections.